Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your Xiaomi Mi 10T, at the first you have to go for the Play Store. Next tap on the search pool and type LED keyboard. Right now we have to get this application from the XIAOMI Studio, so let's install. Right now we can open, click to get started, tap OK. Right now we have to tap on the switcher, click OK 2 times, then go for the input options and switch to LED keyboard. Right now we are able to pick up one of the theme, and I think that I'm going to pick up the RGB star, I think, yeah. So click to download the theme. Okay, it takes too long, so just go back and try with this one, for example. Right now we have to turn off this ad. Click right here on the X, and as you can see, here we are with our LED keyboard on our Xiaomi Mi 10T. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.